In this video, we'll walk through the required equipment and reagents for the Invitrogen QuantiGene SinglePlex and Plex assays.
Review the assay user guides or speak with a sales specialist prior to ordering reagents to ensure that you have the necessary equipment and know what to expect when the reagents arrive at your lab. Please visit the website to review the user guides. Since these assays have special reagent and equipment requirements, it is important to review their temperature specifications and capabilities. The equipment and reagents necessary for sample preparation are not discussed in this video. For step-by-step instructions, please review the video titled How to Prepare Samples and Determine Optimal Sample Input for Invitrogen QuantiGene Assays. Also review the associated protocols for each type of sample to be processed. Let's begin with an overview of the equipment and reagents required but not supplied for a QuantiGene SinglePlex assay. You will need to supply single and multi-channel pipettes with tips, multi-channel pipette reservoirs, a benchtop microcentrifuge, nuclease-free water, a Fisher Scientific vortex mixer, an Invitrogen QuantiGene Incubator Temperature Validation Kit, a soft rubber roller, a horizontal airflow incubator capable of 50 degrees Celsius and 55 degrees Celsius, and a luminescence plate reader or detector, and an optional plate washer. Refer to the product guide for details on the specifications required for the luminometer. Suggestions for this equipment would be the Thermo Scientific VarioScan Lux multi-mode microplate reader, Thermo Scientific Fluoroscan microplate fluorometer, or Thermo Scientific Luminoscan microplate luminometer. The temperature validation kit is required in order to calibrate the incubator at the desired location of the plate. For step-by-step instructions, please refer to the user guide and the video titled How to Use the Invitrogen QuantiGene Incubator Temperature Validation Kit for Invitrogen QuantiGene SinglePlex and Plex assays. Proper calibration of the chosen incubator is critical for obtaining accurate results for the QuantiGene SinglePlex and Plex assays. Calibrate the incubator at multiple locations within the incubator to help to ensure quality data and minimize variability. The reagents provided for the QuantiGene SinglePlex assay are stored at two different temperatures, 4 degrees Celsius and room temperature. Upon receiving the reagents, store them under the correct conditions indicated. For the QuantiGene Plex assay, you will need the following equipment and reagents: single and multi-channel pipettes with tips, a microtiter plate shaker capable of 600 to 800 RPM, multi-channel pipette reservoirs, a centrifuge capable of 240 G, 4 plates, nuclease-free water, a vortex mixer, a benchtop microcentrifuge, a QuantiGene Incubator Temperature Validation Kit, a soft rubber roller, and an Invitrogen handheld magnetic plate washer. The handheld magnetic plate washer is a necessary tool for washing the magnetic beads in the assay, but you can also use an automated plate washer equipped with a magnet. You will also need a shaking incubator such as the Thermo Scientific Max-Q 4450 orbital shaker, including a platform and clamps to accommodate 96 or 384 well plates, or a Vortemp 56 shaking incubator. Finally, you will need a calibrated Luminex instrument such as the MagPix, LX200, or FlexMap 3D for the readout. The QuantiGene Plex assays are specifically designed to run on the Luminex platform. It is important to verify that your instrument is in good working order and can pass calibration prior to running the assay. Components and reagents for the QuantiGene Plex assay are stored at different temperatures. Please be aware of this when unpacking the reagents and storing them until they are used. Thank you for watching this video. To find out more information about QuantiGene SinglePlex and Plex assays, visit thermofisher.com/QuantiGene.